in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to teach you how you can create a chatbot for law firms and for lawyers. It's actually really easy, and it's way easier than most people make it seem. The app or the website that we're going to use is called Voiceflow. An example of what my chatbot looks like is this. I pretty much, it pretty much starts by introducing itself. I call my company Legal Duck. So it pretty much says, welcome to Legal Duck, how may I assist you? I say something like, oh, I need legal advice. It says, sure, I'll do my best to assist you. Please provide some information about your legal issues so I can better understand you. And so, and then what it does is pretty much, this is just an example. One thing that you can provide to the lawyers is pretty much what they call a carousel. And this is pretty much like, you can put any information the lawyer wants to put here. So you pretty much like, I put a picture of Elon Musk, you can put a picture of the law firm. I put, oh, your personal AI lawyer, you can put the name of the law firm. And then right here it says, if you need a lawyer, call us at whatever. And it pretty much it has a clickable link. And I set it to where it just goes to twitter.com/X. But at the end of the day, you can have it go to whatever website you want. And these are just some examples. And I like put best parent AI, and it's like for kids and mothers. You click learn more, it goes to bing.com. You know, like so I just linked it to random websites. And so it pretty much has like this carousel where this is one of the pictures. It probably didn't load because it's the picture that I use is like I just stole from the internet. But it's one of those things where you can have an interactive chatbot, you can have pictures. Right here, you can even replace it with like different types of offenses. So you could say like marital, or if you crash in a car, or if your wife beat you, whatever it is that's going on, and then the person just clicks and it could direct them straight to, say, the lawyer. So say you have multiple lawyers in a firm, you could have a link that goes to each of their phone numbers or schedules an appointment with them. And so you can have it to where, say the first guy is, I can even let's play with it. I will take the time to show you the example. So say the first one is personal injury, right? And it's like, if you need a lawyer, call us here. The second one can be family law. And it says, for kids and mothers call us here. And it's like 210-438-277. All right, I just put a random number, right? And I click right here, you learn more, and then it has a thing, and I put bing.com. This is like, I could leave this the way it is. That's pretty much just how, like, when you want to connect a link, it's as simple as, like I said, it lets you upload whatever picture you want, upload Elon Musk. It lets you title it, and it lets you put a description. And then right here, there's a thing called buttons. When you click buttons, it lets you pretty much set up with your own type of button. It lets you do like a block, intent, you could do variable and API. You could even connect it to certain APIs. But I did URL. When you click URL, it asks you what URL you want. I just put twitter.com for an example. But you can put the website to the person's Calendly. You can put the link to literally anything you want, and it will just take that person there. So pretty much like if somebody comes on there, like I said, they want family law, and it's this crazy legal advice, right? They want like this legal advice is from the butt, right? So pretty much like say like that, right? So you come on here, and this is the chatbot. The person comes on the chatbot, and it's pretty much like, welcome to Legal Duck. How can I assist you? And the person comes like, oh, I need legal advice. And so the thing says, no problem, right? It says, sure, I'll do my best to help you. Can you please provide me some details of the situation? Already, right here, personal injury. If you need help with personal injury, family law, or you need crazy legal advice. And the thing is, like I said, you can name it whatever you want. I named it right here, don't click. And then right here it says learn more. And then click at your own risk. Pretty much you can name it whatever you want. But like I said, the person could be like, oh, I need a personal law, personal injury. And they click right here and it takes them straight to your website, right? So this alone, you can literally have a chatbot that goes 3 steps and make money off of this alone. This could be the free sample that you sell to them, right? This could be the little free sample that you give. But the thing is, you don't want to just stop there, right? You want to like take it a step further. You want to go a little deeper, right? So then you say, pretend the carousel's not there, right? Say they don't want to do anything that has to do with the carousel. You say, I need legal advice, right? Say the carousel has nothing to do with anything, right? The thing asks you, like, no problem, what can I help you with, right? And I can ask it, how do I get a charge dropped from my record? Question mark. So I pretty much, so like I said, it's kind of like this. When it comes to the legal bot, it pretty much asks the person, like, what can I help you with, right? And the person says, I need legal advice. And it says, no problem. The thing about the carousel is that it just helps you get to where you need to go fast. So if the person just needs personal injury, if the person needs to talk straight to a lawyer, if the person just has to do family law, it goes straight to them, right? But like I said, if it also asks you like, please provide me with some information. So say the person wants to keep going, so they're like, okay, like what I really want to know is something that's not right here. How do I get a charge dropped from my record? Consider diversion programs if one is available. One completes your device, the charge is dropped so you can avoid criminal charges. Typically, you need to participate in a drug class, in drug educational counseling, submit a drug testing, and remain drug free for duration. You will also need to, and it literally just gave you the whole response. It literally gives you advice. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. You're asking, okay, how did I build it? How did I build it? No problem. Like I said, this is how I do it. Step one. You go to Voiceflow. Voiceflow is what I'm using to build, right? Voiceflow.com. You create a new tab, whatever, right? You start off first. The only thing it's going to give you is the start button, right? The first you're going to do is to click talk, and text, like T-Mobile, right? You click right here, boom, pow. This is what you want your message to be. Right here, you can put whatever you want. You can put, welcome to I Hate Jail Inc. You literally can name your company whatever you like, right? And what it's gonna do is just name it for you. So when the person shows up, it's gonna say, welcome to blah blah blah. And then the next thing that you wanted to say, because I got this, like whenever the person shows up, it pretty much just says, welcome to Legal Duck. You can have it say, welcome to I Hate Jail. Right here, I have welcome to Legal Duck. So this is pretty much the first part, right? This is what the main part. After that, this part is actually AI. You see how it says AI, this response was generated by AI. This is the part where you add AI to the picture. So you do this, you click the little thing, right? Because this is the block we're working with, and I don't want to mess with mine. You go right here, AI. You go response AI. Boom. You put it under there, right? Right? This is your ChatGPT. Right here, it says AI model, right? You give it a prompt. My prompt is ask the user how you can help and use 5 words. So whenever I do my chatbot, it literally just like I said, it asks you, how may I assist you? And you use 5 words. How may I assist you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Literally 5 words. It literally does the one thing that I needed to do. So you can have your chatbot do whatever you need. Yeah, you tell it. Ask the user how I may assist you. Use 5 words. You know, I don't want to type it because I'm kind of lazy, but you could pretty much be like, ask the user. I'm doing this for you guys. I mean, you know what I mean? Come on now. Give me a like, subscribe to the channel, help your boy out. It's ask the user how you can help. Right. And you pretty much like I said, and then it pretty much asks the user how you can help, right? The settings that I have it to is 3.5 turbo. I have the temperature to 80, and the tokens I use is 125. This is kind of an important part. When you so like whenever you're creating your block, like so the first one is pretty much like you just put I'm a legal duck. The second one is the AI. The AI after you put this, like ask the user to help you with ask the user how you can help and use 5 words. It pretty much that's your prompt, right? But right here, this is your systems. Your systems is pretty much like where you tell your AI like what it is. You tell it you are a legal advisor. You can give legal advice. Do not be afraid to use your knowledge, right? That's pretty much just training the model to pretty much be like smart. You're pretty much like, hey, like you're a lawyer, like don't be afraid to tell people like give them law advice. And this is you can copy and paste this literally exactly how it is. Step 3, pretty much it listens to the person. So when you go to the chatbot, it literally says, welcome to Legal Duck, and it may assist you. And then this is the part where the person types. This is the person says, I need legal advice. This part is this. Pretty much, it's like when the person types, when the person is like, it's waiting for the person to type something, like I literally just gave it these 2 options, and it's like, okay, you're next. This is the legal advice, right? And if you're trying to do this part, you go right here, listen. This is down the other tab, you go to listen, you go to choice. You slide it under your little ChatGPT thing, and it pretty much gives you the intent. You go to intent, you create, you pretty much create new intent, and then you tell you name your intent, whatever you want. And then you pretty much give it some utterances, meaning it's like the type of scenarios that people or the type of questions that you think people ask. So one of the main things that I always ask is like, I need legal advice. You know, and you literally be like, advice. And then like I said, you could pretty much generate some AI ones, and then you could choose how many you wanted to generate, but it pretty much legal advice. You know, we'll legal advice. It said, I need some legal advice. It said, what kind of legal advice can I get? What do I need to know about legal advice? Looking for legal advice. Can I get legal advice? Pretty much those are all the type of questions that people will ask, right? So you pretty much use that to your advantage. You're like, okay, since I know that these are the type of questions people can ask, or if you have a person that like they can tell you, okay, like these are my most frequently asked questions. They put them all in here, and the AI really knows what to pretty much what to look for, what to listen for, right? So that's pretty much how you create the first one. This is literally the exact same as this, right? So now we're done. I'm gonna delete it. If you need help, go back and rewind the video a little bit, okay? Now, like I said, that was literally the first part. This is literally the whole, like it's running the little thing. It says, welcome to legal.com and I assist you. That's right here, right? After the person answers and says, I need legal advice, it moves on to this part. You see how it turned blue? It moves to this part. This right here is a picture of Elon. This right here is the picture that didn't load, and this is the last picture. This right here is a picture of Elon. This is the picture that didn't load, and then this is the last picture. This is literally where you create your next thing, right? So to create this, oh, I see. No wonder I didn't connect earlier. Okay, I actually just spotted one of my mistakes that I made earlier. But okay, so to pretty much to get to this, right, to build this block, this is because this is pretty much like the last and second block, right? This is the block that's pretty much gonna like help you make the money, especially when it comes to carousel. Okay, you go like this. You create talk. You go texting, right? Boom, pow, right. Actually, no, it's not this one. No, take that back. Sorry. You go to AI, response AI, boom, pow, right. Right here, prompts. Because you see how this is, it has a little lightning bolt? Right here, the little lightning bolt. This is the response AI. Use AI model. Right here, it has a little thing right here. Pop. When you click prompts, it responds respond using prompts, respond using memory and prompts. You go to memory, boom, right? So what it does is it responds using your memory. So the thing is, the messages, all that happen right here, whenever you connect it, it responds using whatever happened here. So if the person says, I need help, I need this, whatever utterance it puts, it responds using the step above, right? So then pretty much it's like, okay, it's gonna use the using memory, right? And then you pretty much can create your own little system, meaning I just put URL helpful. Oh, actually, let me see. I'll put you. Actually, I'm not even mess with it because my thing is really good right now. I'm sure I just messed my thing up a little bit, but you pretty much, like I said, this you pretty much just do it, respond using AI, and boom, it's the first one is set. Next, to do the carousel, you pretty much go to talk, right? Right here, instead of card, you see carousel. You slide it right under here, boom, right? And it creates you a card. The card is literally like this, right? I'm making some videos on moms. Say I'm making some video on AI women, right? Say you want to use one of these those sexy pretty women, right? Say I click on this right here. Just to spice it up, just to give you a little nice whatever. You can literally put whatever it is. You can put, say your chatbot is attractive women, attractivelawyers.com. You can be like, talk to Becky today. Boom. Let me say, Becky can't wait to give you legal advice. Boom, right? What does it do? I click right here, buttons, right? I click actions. I click right here, URL. It asks me where do I want to go. I go www.google.com just to make it simple, just so you can text it later. You can see, right? Now the thing is set. I can add another card. I put right here. But okay, we'll pretty much let me just show you so you can run it. So pretty much it's gonna, okay, so it's kind of like look at this. It's gonna show you the picture that I uploaded. I said this is Becky, and it says talk to Becky today. Becky can't wait to give you legal advice. And pretty much the person can get to click the button. Boom! It takes them to google.com. Literally, because that's the link I put. You can put whatever link you like. Okay. At the end of the day, it's as simple as that. All I did was create 1, 2, 3 more. You literally click on this. You click on the picture. It's just an add card. You can just create another one. Say we'll put sexy woman number 2. Y'all, I use one of these girls on my thumbnails, and now y'all get to see the thumbnail before I even make the video. So y'all are lucky. And it says, what's the talk to Jess. All right. It said Jess can't wait to give you legal advice, right? Like literally, like I'm getting lazy over here, right? And it just says add card, and you pretty much can do. I'm literally gonna give you one more just to show you that it actually can spin. You know, like I'm taking the time out of my day for you guys. You know what I'm saying? That's how much y'all mean to me. Let's say talk to Robin. You know what I'm saying? Because she robbing the bank. It said Robin can't wait to give you legal advice. All right. Boom. All the cards are done. The one thing that I just have to add that you can't forget is you click buttons, and you click actions, you click URL, you put right here. I go www.snapchat.com just for that one, just to test it. And then we're going to talk to Robin. I click the button. I go actions, open URL. I put www.mcdonalds.com. You feel me? Boom, 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 boom. Now the carousel's all set, right? So when I go and I play it, right? It literally, oh, okay, so on top of each other. Okay, so whenever you literally play, right? Boom, I play it, and like I said, I don't have it. The reason why I don't want to mess it up, but I don't have it connected to any of my other things. And you see how this one like it's connected to this line and stuff like that. I don't want to connect this one because I don't want it to mess up the one I have. But I literally just showing you how to create one, and you can literally connect like your boxes and stuff because I'm just showing you how to create it. But pretty much, you see how it says talk to Becky, boom, talk to Jess. You know what I'm saying? Talk to Jess. Like, you know, you want to go talk to Jess? Snapchat.com, you feel me? Like, you know what I mean? It's literally come talk to Jess, right? Boom. Talk to Robin. You feel me? You want to talk to Robin? No problem. McDonald's.com. You feel me? Literally, it's literally like, you know what I mean? It's like it's that easy, and you just set it up. So meaning you know how to make the chatbot keep going and keep talking to itself using AI. Plus, you also know how to create your carousels that actually make it like to where the you can connect the business, like integrate it. So you can have the pictures of the business. If you're selling real estate, you can have pictures of houses. You can literally have a picture of whatever you want. You can put the name in the description, and you can make it go wherever you want. Like it literally doesn't get easier than that. Okay. That's pretty much how you create a chatbot. Like, if you find this helpful, like, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. There's also another website that you can use to create chatbots called Stack AI. If you want me to create a video on Stack AI, then I can, because this is one of the chatbots. The formulas, the template, the template that you use right now, it's blank, but pretty much it uses the website, scrapes the data, and it creates you a little chatbot, and you can use a chatbot to literally like automate any company that you want. So pretty much, if you want me to create more chatbots, let me know. This chatbot was for lawyers and for attorneys, but like I said, I can teach you how to create them. If you found this video helpful, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm here making AI content, everything AI. I make this video for you guys. So if you find this video helpful, like I said, subscribe to the channel, help your boy out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you have any recommendations on what I should make or what the type of videos I should make, you can let me know in the comment section, okay? I do appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And before you leave, don't forget to say what's up to my little mans, man. Y'all be forgetting to say what's up to him in the comment section, and then he be hating on y'all because y'all don't be saying what's up to him. So say what's up to the boy, you know what I'm saying? That's all I got for today's video.